I am an AI robot. My name is LifeBot from International STEAM Research. You can code me to do things. How are you? I can play many musical instruments. I can sing as well. Would you be my friend?
Yes.
Thank you for welcoming me in Exilium Convent School, Dundum.
I'm very happy and I'm very obliged that Auxilium Convent School invited me to attend this workshop of ISR. I've heard about ISR frequently, but to attend this workshop in the school itself, it was very influencing for me, and I would rather like to ask and I would rather like to request the school to implement this theme in our teaching session so that would improvise our student for better futurement for our student. Thank you.
First of all, I'd like to thank Mr. Principal, Mr. Vice Principal, and all respected teachers, parents to help us organize this workshop. And I think this the step which we have taken forward, it will help our children, our students, to think beyond the box and be future ready. And also, we as a parent, we would expect Sister Principal to give them some space so that they can utilize their talented minds, and they should also be, like, most of our homes, we don't have such facilities to do this creativity activities or to think much out of their work. So we have talented minds for sure in our school, so it will give them more space to learn and innovate and be future ready.
Hello everyone, my daughter is studying in the school in class 4, and I have seen the conventional ways of teaching. After attending this session, I feel we should move away from these conventional way of teaching to new ways of teaching that will help our students to grow better in their future lives, and to combine all these things which we see at the back. I think we have gone through very hard jargons of artificial intelligence, robotics, but to combine all this into our studies and to make it more interesting for these students is a very good thing that we are planning to do. I enjoyed a lot, and I hope my other children will also enjoy it.
Hi everybody. Today we had a workshop at Auxilium School, Dundum by Dr. Panekar. I'm a very big fan of his, and I'm really thankful that we have this workshop for the parents, because we just stick to the books and we can now go into innovative learning with new skills, new way we can teach our students, our children, so that they can be more innovative and more creative in their studies, and which will help them in the future. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I am Navadisha Barwa's mother. My daughter reads in class 7, and I'm really proud of my school. Rather, I'm also an ex-pupil of this school, that my school has started to think so much out of the box. Previously, I would like to let's be frank that I really didn't knew what STEM education was. But this 2-hour session has actually given the scope to think what innovation can be in its simplest form. So I would really love to say that if my daughter or also all the students get the scope to be exposed to such an education, it would really make them future ready. Thank you.
Actually, we have heard about the ISR, but when we have attended this workshop, we found out that this is so beneficial for our children. So for future, it is required, and I have learned a lot from this 2-hour session. So I would definitely want that all the parents should get these benefits for their children as well. And thank you, school, for arranging this for us. Thank you.
So I had heard about STEAM research and what it does, but today was the first time that I experienced it, and I really think that it is very good for the children because it helps them understand much better than just a normal lecture mode of class. So great job with STEAM research, and I would definitely, encourage my students to learn that way. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. George, for being with us here and helping us to think in a very innovative way, very constructive way, and very creative way. This is what we have to think, critical thinking for some changes, to bring some changes first in us and around us. Thank you so much, sir, and the team that you brought. It was very useful. Yes, parents? Yes. Very useful, correct? Yes, sir. So we assure you what we have done today, what you have given us, the input session is very useful, and we are going to implement.